In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Salesforce Chrome Inspector extension. Whether you're a Salesforce admin or a developer, this tool is incredibly helpful for enhancing your productivity, offering powerful insights right in your browser. And the best part, the installation process only takes about 5 minutes. So, let's dive right in. First, let's go ahead and open Google Chrome. You should see your familiar homepage or perhaps your latest tabs waiting for you. Chrome is where all the magic happens, and it's our gateway to the vast array of useful extensions available on the web store. Now, direct your attention to the Chrome Web Store. That's where all the available extensions are hosted. If you're not sure how to get there, just type Chrome Web Store into your address bar and it'll pop up in your search results. Click on it and voila, you're in the right place. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, you'll notice a search bar at the top left corner. Here, type Salesforce Inspector. This tool is a must-have for anyone working with Salesforce, allowing you to easily view and manipulate data within your Salesforce org. Hit Enter and take a look at the search results. You should now see the Salesforce Inspector extension in your search results. Next to its name, there's a button that says Add to Chrome. Go ahead and click this button. A pop-up should soon appear on your screen asking for permissions that the extension requires to function properly. This step is crucial, so take a moment to review what it's asking for. Once you're comfortable with granting these permissions, click Add Extension. This confirms that you're allowing the Salesforce Inspector to integrate with your browser, enabling its features whenever you need them while working in Salesforce. The installation process shouldn't take long, depending on your internet speed. With the installation complete, you'll now need to open Salesforce and log into your organization. This is an important step because the Salesforce Inspector extension operates within your Salesforce environment and enhances your ability to analyze and interact with your data. Once you've logged into Salesforce, look toward the upper right area of your browser. You should see the Salesforce Inspector icon nestled among your other extensions. If you don't see it right away, it might be hidden under the puzzle piece icon. Just click on that to check. Click on the Salesforce Inspector icon to start using this powerful tool. You're now equipped to inspect various aspects of your Salesforce org directly from your browser, making data management much more efficient and straightforward. And there you have it. You've just installed the Salesforce Inspector extension, making your Salesforce experience that much better. Thanks for joining me today, and be sure to explore all that this extension has to offer.